Hello, and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this video, I'll show you how to download and install SmartTube on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a Smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. We'll do this in two steps, so let's head into the video. The first step is that we're going to go to settings and enable developers options to give permissions for installation of apps from unknown sources or unknown apps. The next is that we're going to use the APK time application to install SmartTube, and from there you have the application, you can use it. So first things first, let's head over to settings. I'm going to click settings, then all settings, and I'm going to navigate down to system. From system to about, and under about I'm going to go to tvOS build. I'll click on this button 7 times. So go ahead and click on the button 7 times to enable developers option. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now developer options are on, and you can confirm that by seeing developers options on this list. So that means you can now install apps from unknown sources. So head over now to the APK time application right here. If you don't have that app, check the link in the description for a video that will show you how to download the app. Now when you have the app downloaded, just open it and move over to YouTube at the bottom. Click on the YouTube category and scroll down this list to find SmartTube. So I'm going with the version that has the 32-bit version. I've already downloaded the application, so clicking on download is just going to install it. But if you click on download, it will download, then begin to stage the app and install. So I've just clicked on download, that's staging the app, ready to install. If you find a message that pops up here saying unknown sources or install apps from unknown sources, just go down that list and click on APK time. That would enable APK time to install an app from an unknown source. From there, click on install, and you have the SmartTube application installing to your TV, just like that. So if you found that valuable, if you found the video insightful, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.